We had surprise twins, who are now 4. It still feels like a surprise. Hey Wayfair, we are the Bell family. We have been working so hard to turn our backyard into a place where we want to hang out. We can't wait to show you around. Come on. We live here with our 3 little kids, Ruby and our 4-year-old twins, Bradley and Rosie, and we've lived here for 8 years. When we had the kids, we realized we had to really start utilizing the outdoor space more. Utilizing all the spaces out here is really key. We love this house because it is a 100-year-old Tudor house, and we've always loved that style. And the backyard really feels like you're in the French countryside. This is our outdoor dining space where we have most of our dinners together as a family. And as you can see, we decided to bring in a round table because before it was a lot of straight lines. We had a long skinny table where you would always be left out of the conversation if you were at one end of it.
And my favorite part is
the lazy
chips
Susan
can just keep coming around.
This is the deck off of our bedroom, and it is the perfect morning coffee or happy hour, kind of a quiet little retreat we can sneak away from the kids and just reconnect. We used to have a little love seat right here that we never ever used, and ever since we got the 2 chairs with a side table, we now all of a sudden have functionality. I feel like we actually are gravitating to this space more than we ever have before. We use this space to hang out at the end of the day. All the kids like to just pile in the chairs. My older daughter loves to do her homework in the swing. And this is kind of our gather at the end of the day, relax, reconnect as a family spot.
So the space before was, a dining table, and it was not used very often. Now it's just so much more usable, and we're able to relax here a little more with the kids and enjoy the space.
And that's a wrap on our house-to-home journey. Thank you for coming by, Wayfair.
Thank you.
Wayfair, every style, every home.